Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Tina from Baby Boss. So grab your marker and follow along with me. We're going to start with Tina's nose. And then on both sides we're going to draw the bottom of the eyes. Two little curvy lines. Keep it about the same. And now we're going to do the top. But this time I'm just going to make it halfway on both sides. Now I'm going to connect them, and I'm going to connect it on this side as well. They don't have to look absolutely perfect, but close enough. Now we're going to draw eyelashes, so I'm going to bring this one out and I'm going to draw an eyelash and I'm going to take it over, and on this side I'm going to draw another eyelash, and then we can go to the pupils, the irises, and of course the light reflections. And I'll draw two light reflections today. So let's color the pupils and the eyelashes in. Now next up, we can draw two little eye sockets. So you're just going to draw two curvy lines right above the eyes, and then on top of that, we're going to draw the eyebrows. So I'm going to draw a curvy one there and a straight line there, and I'm just going to connect them back. And there you have two eyebrows. Right at the bottom, we're going to draw a little smile. And now on the sides, we're going to draw the cheeks. I'll start here and I'll make one cheek, and I'll try to do the same on the other side as well. One cheek. Now that I have those, I'm going to connect them with a light curve. Then we can go and we can draw the forehead and the side of the head. And now from here, I'm going to draw an ear. And I'm going to draw the inside of the ear as well. And now I'm going to jump to this side. I'm going to draw a straight line up, a lot shorter. I'm going to make it a V. And then from here, I'll draw the other ear. And I'm going to do the inside as well. Now on top, we can draw hair, and I'm just going to draw a piece of hair sticking out like this, and then I'm going to draw a light curve. I'm going to start here at the ear, and I'm going to make a light curve back like this, and then connect it back. And now we can draw the top of the head. I'm going to start on this side first, and I'm going to draw the side of her head, and then the top and the side here as well. And I'll just start on this side, and I'll just draw a line all the way around and connect it. And then Tina has two ponytails, so I'm going to draw a cup shape on this side. And with this cup shape, I'll just close it off. There's one ponytail, and let's do it on this side as well. So I'll draw a cup shape again, and then close it off. Now that we're finished with her head, we're going to draw her shoulders and her arms in one go. Now, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a light C, like this. I'm going to do the same on the other side. A C as well. Now you're going to make a straight line up, and you're going to bring it back. And on this side, we'll do the same thing. Straight line up, bring it back, and we'll just make a few creases there. And on this side, you're going to connect the head and there. Now we're going to start with the sleeves. The small little sleeve sticking out from her jacket. And you're just going to connect it like this. And now we can do the jacket, the bottom part of the jacket. So I'm going to take a curvy line out. I'll make another curvy line out. And right in the middle, I'm going to draw, and I'm going to connect the middle line to the side, and I'm going to do the same with this side as well. Take it all the way out and connect it. Then we're going to jump in here, and we're going to draw two buttons, and now we can draw the lower part of the body. a little smiley shape there, and now we can draw the legs. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to draw a little leg out, and I'm going to do this. And on this side, I'm going to follow the curvature of a body, and I'll just bring it back, and I'll connect it. And there's one shoe and the bottom of the pants. Now on this side, I'm just going to bring a line out, and I'm going to keep it about the same height. I'm going to bring it forward, and I'm going to break it back. And now we're going to make it nice and curvy and connect it. And you can take the line a little bit further. Good. And there's Tina. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.